Welcome back, students. Today we are going to see column formatting in a page. What is meant by column formatting? As its name given, we are going to format the columns. For example, everyone have seen newspapers. Newspaper come in, for example, three types, correct? First one is their information. In second column there are images, and basically in third column there are few advertisement, correct? For example, I will show you. See, this is a page, correct? How we can apply to that? Go in format, correct? Format, then page, correct? When you go on page, here you see the option as columns, correct? See here, this is a preview. By default they had given 5 types of column. By default our column is one column, correct? But if we want to convert our page or divide our page into two columns, then we will select two columns in equal size, means it will divide equally, correct? Here you can see it is divided 50-50% like that. And third option is divide three columns with equally. Now see, three columns equally. Here you can see the diameters of that. See, first column, all pages are here 8.5 centimeter, 8.50 centimeter. Now if I selected on 3, 5.63, 5.63 like that. Now fourth one is two column with different size, means left one is greater and right one is smaller. Here you can see, from here you can change that if you want. For example, instead of 11 I want 10. I don't want 11, I want 10. See, got it got shrunken, correct? 10 like this we can change. And this one is right side is greater than left side, correct? By default these are option, but if you want to increase the number of column, you can from here. See, like this it is getting increased. But you will have a question, you have only three columns here. Now how could I enter the fifth column? Here you see arrow, this from here you will convert like this. Go back and front. See, when there are three, the arrows got optimize, but when you click on 4 the arrows are visible, and then you can edit from here. Understood? You can select n numbers of column from this, and if you click on auto width, it will give the automatic width, means whatever the content inside that width, only that much width it will occupy. Understood? This is all about columns. Now we will see about page preview and print, last topics of these chapters. How we can page preview? So see, everyone see here, we will go in file, correct? And at the bottom here you see this page preview option, a page with a, what we can say, this magnifier, correct? A page with a magnifier, it is called as page preview. What basically page preview means? See, if I click on it, page preview will open. For example, what is basically page preview means? If I print this page, then how the print will appear, it is called as page preview, means future tense of that page. If there is a document I type, but I want to see how it will appear on the page, margins, borders, like that, so I will use page preview. How I can close the page preview? With the help of escape key. Which key? Escape key. Here you can see came, then I will press now escape key, the back. Second option is also there, page preview, and here you can see close preview. If you click here, then also it will close. How we can open? File and page preview. But there is second option also, shortcut way. Here you see this option, page preview. If you click on this also, page preview option will appear. Understood? From here you can zoom in, zoom out, right? Now last option, how we can print, right? So for print, file, and below page preview there is print option, correct? And here is a shortcut key also. Shortcut key for print is Ctrl plus P. You can directly click on file and then print, otherwise Ctrl plus P. Understood? Now here are basic two options you need to pay attention for that. First one is copies and paste, in which this range option is there, and this second option is copies option. How we can apply for copies? For example, if there is a PDF which is having 10 pages and I want to print all the 10 pages, so I will click on all pages, then all the 10 pages will be printed, correct? And second option is pages. If I want to select only n number of pages, I don't want all the pages from the document, I want specific pages. If I want only one page, I will put one. If I want only 5 number page, I will put here 5. Then it will print only 5 number of pages. Why it is showing no pages? Because there are not that much of pages, that's why. Understood? And second thing, if I want to print from 5 to 10, then I will write 5 dash 10 like this. Then pages from 5 to 10 will be all printed, right? And if I want to print, for example, only limited pages, then I will use comma, 5 comma 7 comma and 9. If I want only these 3 pages, then I will use comma. Understood? And this is number of copies, means how many number of copies you want. If I want a single copy, then I will single. If I want multiple, then I can click from here. If I want n number of copies, for example 25 copies, I will write 25. Then 25 copies will appear of how many pages? These 3 pages. If I want 5 to 9, then what I will do? 5 dash 9 means from 5 to 9 all pages will be printed. Understood? And I will click on print. Understood? Is there any query? If you have any query, please comment down in chats. I will resolve your query. Once again, thank you class. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.